Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another ride, and this time we are heading to Dirt Park, Kolar with our KTM group. Let's see how many bike falls, what all happens, that we'll see on the way. Come, let's go then. So guys, come on, let's go. Bye bye. सुबह के बज गए हैं 6:10 और हम निकल चुके हैं.
And those features are usable in situations. Which kind of situations we're going to try and replicate or get into those kind of situations to really feel the motorcycle's technology as well as enjoy the ride. So this is predominantly a very basic scratch level information. You will obviously have a lot of other queries which you can come and ask me at any given point of time. It can be any level. It can be the most dumbest question too.
And the boys are ready. Flag is waved off. Come, let's go.
You don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do is trust. You have to trust the bike. Okay. While you're cornering, you can still use your brakes on. Okay. And while you're doing the brakes on, you can still have the throttle on. Generally, what everybody does is when you approach a corner, and you are either throttle off or on, and you either brake before or later. Correct? Like you brake into the.
Sexy weather and started drizzling now. Crazy. Loving it. Whoa. Crazy fun. See. So you just need to maintain one lane and just ride on that path only. If I'll do here, there, no, pakka, I'm going to slip. See, in the middle grass is also there. Your bike should not be on that actually. You should be riding on one path. If you stick to one path, nothing will happen. If you roam here and there, then you might fall also. Anything can happen. You can't say anything. So it's better just to ride. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Could be danger place. It's mentioned here. danger place. Can you see that? Boop, boop, boop. And now let's make something more dangerous. Come on, babe. Ride it, ride it, ride it. Crazy. Have you guys ever seen mini Ladakh? We can show you. See what a view, guys. Khoobsurat, lovely. बहुत roll in mud. Mud. रोड सच में इतनी ज़्यादा स्लिपरी है, इतनी ज़्यादा स्लिपरी कि क्या बोलूं। और ऊपर से बारिश भी हो गई, 4 चांद लगा दिए बारिश ने। क्रेजी 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 क्रेजी। And welcome to BigRock Dirt Park. Welcome. Vanakkam. Come on. Time to play with that. आज हम लोग मिट्टी में नहाएंगे। क्या गाड़ी स्लिप कर रही है यार। Started raining again. See the weather?
It's recording, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's raining.
Guys, maintain distance, you can be inside.
Sure.
Here, how was the off-road here?
Crazy.
Nelly, you guys came in the main entrance or you took them in the trail?
On the way back, we'll take them on the trail.
Okay. That was super flashy, right? Our car was like going all the way.
From all you understand is MTC is motorcycle traction control. Simple. Okay? Now, off-road conditions are the best conditions for you to experience this. Okay, because the whole idea about traction control, what do you understand of it? I want to understand.
Basically, it looks into the front wheel rotation on the back wheel, and then ensures that none of the wheel is like over spinning. Basically, the rear one.
Okay. And by doing so, what happens? Why are we doing this? I mean, to avoid the skid, right? Alright, so if you notice everywhere, so basically an excessive spin of a wheel can lose traction. This was the first one. I couldn't anticipate.
पहला MTC ऑफ था, अभी MTC ऑन किया.
On and off. You all know, right?
Yes.
No, actually. Okay, good. So there's no shame in us saying that.
Yeah.
All right. Can I repeat the question? How many of you all know how to put it on and off?
I know.
You know, right?
Yeah.
Everybody knows? Okay. Who does not know? You. Okay.